Good morning everyone, Liliana from Vanillandcanela here. Welcome back to my channel and to another declutter session for you. Now, as you guys know, I'm moving. It's now just over a week before our move. So I've been filming up some little bits. I've been doing tiny little bits every day because the heat has been unbearable, so I can only do small amounts of things every day before it gets too hot. So let me show you what I've done. So I've decided to go through this cupboard and see what's what. What are you doing, Ethel? So anyway, I've gone through all these white boxes and got rid of some stuff that it's in the pink basket, like wigs and dressing up costumes that we never seem to use. So there's still some stuff there. I think that pink folder, it's got recipes, so I might get rid of that. And I was just about to go through this pink folder as well. As you can see, it's got recipes, and I mean, they've been up there for 2-3 years and I've never used them, so it's time to go. So now is the bit that I have been dreading, which is going through all our artwork and deciding, like, Ethel, I don't understand. She wasn't in there 5 minutes ago. Anyway, so I'm going to go through it and see what we can get rid of. Going to move all these coats to this side because most of the artwork is down there, though there is some behind there as well. So I've now gone through everything in here, kept all that stuff there and repacked loads of bits and bobs back in there, but it's all been sorted, so I know when we get to the other side it's all pretty set and ready to go. That's Alex's duvet. It's too hot at the moment for his duvet. So I've just stored it there for now. So I've taken all the stuff that was in here to the charity shop that I didn't want to keep. And those are going to go downstairs with all my other boxes and organising stuff. And like I said before, I'm going to keep it all until the new house, and once I'm sorted and organized, I'll get rid of anything I don't use. And I've started lining up pictures, and this is where all the pictures are going to go as we take them off the wall. So I ordered these droner boxes from eBay before I knew I was going to go to IKEA. Excuse the crying baby in the background, it's the windows are open, so it's from outside. So anyway, I ordered them before I knew I was going to IKEA, and actually if you don't have an IKEA near you, I really recommend these. They are the actual IKEA boxes. I think I paid like 20p more than I would at IKEA. Oh, that baby's really going for it. But anyway, and these were bought from eBay as well, so they've lasted really well and they are so strong and they fit perfectly in these. So these are going to go in Alex's bedroom and we are going to have white ones, so I'm going to swap these. So all done. Now I'm going to take these into Alex's bedroom. I love those now. Right, so we're in Alex's bedroom and I'm going to try, I'm sorry about the lighting, but the curtains are closed to try and keep out the sun and also the noise. I've got the fan, but anyway, I'm going to try and tackle this wardrobe, and the first thing I'm going to do is tackle the clothes. I know they say it always gets worse before it gets better, but I'm losing the will to live here. Okay, so I've got the blues down here, and I'm thinking that I might swap these grey ones out for some of the ones I have downstairs. I did end up bringing those upstairs and swapping them with the others. They're full of toys. All the toys have been sorted through, so there's plenty of room to grow. Again, sorry about the lighting. Let me show you. So as you can see, we've emptied out quite a bit and reorganized all his toys. I'm much happier with that. I really don't like these being here, but I think I've mentioned that before as well. In the new house, this unit I don't think will be against the bed, it will be against like a wall, so Anyway. So today the weather seems to have cooled down slightly, so I want to get some stuff done. One of the things is I'm going to start taking pictures down, but before I do that I need to sort out a couple of things. Let me show you. I also want to sort through this cupboard. This is where I keep my beauty stuff, and it's where my makeup is, but also it's where the craft cupboard is. My husband made this for me out of cardboard. Well, not cardboard, it's like thick, I can't explain what it is, but anyway, it's not going to fit in our next house and it's giving way down there, so I'm going to pack all of this up and at the same time pack this into, you know, like stuff that I won't need before we move. I'll pack it all away and go through it and try and get rid of stuff that I don't want. Okay, so all the blue baskets that were up there, this in one of these Poundland baskets, everything's in there. There's some recycling, I've put it in an empty box, and there's stuff in there, and I've stuck the blue bins over there to put again in storage. Everything else stays the same. I went through this to make sure there was nothing that I wanted to get rid of, and now this is the big thing. I think I need to get a packing box. And I wondered, guys, what do you all do? Sorry, you can't really tell with the sun. With your birch boxes, the empty birch boxes, let me know, because they're too pretty to get rid of, but I'm not sure. Okay, so I've taken the cupboard out and I've put everything into a box. There's still stuff there, but we don't actually have many boxes until the guys come to pack it all up, so I'm just going to leave it like this. The main thing I wanted to do was to go through it and get rid of anything I didn't want, but also to take out this cupboard that Paul made for me. Paul can pull it apart and get rid of it because it can't take the weight much longer. I've got some stuff there to take down. I'm going to put all my Scentsy stuff together, and I've got to take that basket full of boxes as well. But before I go back downstairs, I'm going to take all these pictures off the wall and stack them in the bedroom. So I've taken all the pictures off and I'm left with a command tape, so it doesn't want to focus there. So yeah, I'm going to pull all of that off as well. Hopefully it won't take the paint with it. I'll even explain to you how dirty this wall is. You guys can see they look like little shades. These are actually like bugs. You can't see, look. Okay, they're all like thunderbugs. So, and I found something really interesting. Let me see if I can. What is that? What is that? Sorry, it's not focusing. There you go. I think that's like a nest of some sort, so I'm going to leave that for Paul to deal with. It's like a spider's nest or something dodgy like that. Okay, so I've pulled out all the command tape, and actually, if you can see right there, it pulled the paint off, but that was because I just pulled at it instead of doing it the right way. Yeah, anyway, so that's the only patch I need to do. And then here is that nest of something nasty. But anyway, I wanted to show you how much the thunderbugs get into everything. Check out this frame. Look at all those little thunderbugs. Nightmare. Okay, so next job is to wash all of these nice and get all the grease and grime off them. I want to see if you guys, that is proper mank. If you guys don't know, these are usually up there on top of the cupboards. So yeah, I'm going to give this a really good wash. I'm not sure if I want to keep them all, like might get rid of this one here. I don't know. So while that stuff is drying up, I've decided to clean my coffee table, and I'm going to use coconut oil. I've just put a pull of it in there, and then I'm going to try and list this for sale. Okay, the table has been polished, as you can see. It's all nice, and I've taken photos to put it up for sale. Now I've just got to deal with that. Okay, so those are washed. I'm going to keep them on my windowsill just because it's easier. I've washed that as well, and I'm thinking that I might try and sell these just because I don't really like them, don't really like the colours. We'll see. And that is it for this video, guys. I am done for now. See you guys next time. Thank you. Bye.